Hey everyone, Technomentor here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unblock unknown calls on your iPhone. So let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do in order to unblock unknown callers is go into your setting on your iPhone, scroll down to apps here, or you're going to basically look for the phone app setting. So in the settings here, I have the phone app settings, and right here, I'm going to go down a little bit further where it says silence unknown callers. Now, if you have this setting turned on, basically any calls that are coming from unknown which your phone doesn't recognize, that are not in your contact list, outgoing calls, or Siri suggestion, will basically be silenced and you might not see them. So you want to turn that setting off if you want to receive those unknown calls coming through. Now, another thing you also want to check out after you do that is if you have accidentally blocked a caller that you're looking to get that number, and it happens that you might have blocked it a long time ago, it just needs to be unblocked. What you'll do is, in that case, is click on block contact. Now once you click on blocked contact, it's going to show you a list of all the contacts that have been blocked. To unblock one that's in the list, simply swipe to your left and click on that unblock one, and that number will be unblocked. Now that's something you'll want to do and go ahead and do in order to make sure that if you didn't accidentally block someone and they're not on the list. Now the third thing you also want to do is sometimes unknown callers can be blocked from your carrier where they have a filter. If you're finding that doing this and doing the unblocking or the block contact still doesn't help, ask your carrier to ensure that they're not blocking anything where they see a number and they're going through their filter and it's being blocked at the network level. So there are different ways to basically unblock unknown callers on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.